Hi, I'm Frank Barnes, the Emergency Manager for the City of Oklahoma City. The City of Oklahoma City covers 620 square miles, and we have 182 outdoor warning sirens. In the past, we had what was called a county-based warning activation. This meant each time the National Weather Service issued a tornado warning, we activated all of the sirens in the county for which the warning was issued. Our new policy is a threat-based sector activation. This means that the City of Oklahoma City will only activate those sirens in that portion of the city that is threatened by a tornado. We will activate our sirens when the National Weather Service issues a tornado warning, public safety personnel in the field report a tornado, there is credible evidence of a tornado, or upon recommendation of the Oklahoma City Office of Emergency Management. The City of Oklahoma City may activate the tornado sirens more than once each time there is a new tornado warning or a new tornado threat is identified. The city does not sound an all clear, and we test our sirens on Saturday at noon. What does this new policy mean to you, and what do you need to do when you hear the sirens? You need to take the sirens more seriously because we are now warning a smaller area of the city. When you hear the sirens, it means that the tornado threat is nearby or approaching your location, and you need to do two things. Number one, you need to take shelter. Go to your storm shelter, your safe room, or shelter in place on the lowest level, innermost room, and put as many walls between you and the exterior. And number two, get more information. Go to your TV, your radio, your weather radio, tablet, smartphone, or other electronic device to get more information about the storm, and continue to monitor it until the storm threat passes. What if you don't live in the City of Oklahoma City? Keep in mind that the cities in and near Oklahoma City have their own outdoor warning sirens. You need to check with them to find out what their policy and procedures are for the activation of the tornado sirens in the city in which you live. For more information, go to okc.gov or follow us on social media.